Media Center is built by top folders and subfolders. You can easily create a storage structure that suits your media assets. To create a structure, start with the top folder. Use the folder drop-down here and select New Top Folder. To create subfolders, right-click the parent folder and choose New. You may add as many folders as you like. If you want to change your folder's name, select Edit. You can move any folder by using drag and drop. You can also delete a folder by right-click and select Delete. Here are some valuable tips for creating a structure. If you have, for instance, a product packaging assortment, you can make an assortment structure, but because you can have the same media in more than one place in Media Center, you can also make a market structure. For campaigns, you can make an annual or an event structure. For images, you can make a theme structure or a usage structure. And finally, if you use Media Center for planning, you can make temporary folders where you keep assets that you share with your colleagues and the design agency during the project. When the media is completed, you can just delete the folder.